Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser is here, and it's rewriting the rules of compact off-roading. Imagine everything you love about the legendary Land Cruiser, its ruggedness, durability, and go-anywhere confidence, now packed into a smaller, more accessible, and urban-friendly SUV. Toyota has combined the heart of an off-road icon with modern practicality, creating a vehicle that's as capable on wild trails as it is comfortable on city streets. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. The Mini Land Cruiser is a perfect blend of retro heritage and modern toughness. Its boxy silhouette pays homage to the classic 70 series, but the sharper LED headlights, muscular fenders, and a bold front grille bring it right into the future. Short overhangs and a high-ground clearance scream adventure, while the compact size makes it ideal for tight city parking or narrow mountain paths. It's rugged, stylish, and unmistakably Toyota. Under the hood, the 2026 Mini Land Cruiser doesn't disappoint. Powering this beast is a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an advanced hybrid system. Together, they deliver impressive torque and efficiency, ensuring you get power when you need it and economy when you don't. Toyota's all-wheel drive system, combined with selectable terrain modes, gives the Mini Land Cruiser the capability to tackle mud, sand, snow, and rocky terrain with ease. Whether you're heading to work or exploring remote landscapes, this SUV handles it all like a pro. Step inside, and the cabin tells another story of balance. Luxury meets practicality. Toyota has given the Mini Land Cruiser a refined yet robust interior. Soft touch materials, a durable dashboard, and ergonomic controls make it both stylish and functional. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with Toyota's latest interface, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides all essential driving data clearly, while ambient lighting and comfortable seating ensure every trip feels premium. Despite being a compact SUV, interior space is intelligently designed to maximize comfort and cargo. Rear seats fold flat, offering impressive storage for camping gear, luggage, or everyday essentials. Toyota has also added clever storage spaces throughout the cabin, making sure you have room for all your adventure needs. Safety, as always, is a top priority for Toyota. The 2026 Mini Land Cruiser comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Off-road safety is enhanced with features like hill descent control, a 360-degree camera, and underbody protection. This compact SUV is built to keep you and your passengers safe no matter where your journey takes you. On the road, the Mini Land Cruiser feels composed and confident. The suspension system is tuned to absorb bumps and rough terrain, giving you a smooth ride on highways and firm control off-road. Steering is precise, and the hybrid powertrain delivers instant torque, making it surprisingly agile. Whether you're navigating city traffic or climbing steep trails, the Mini Land Cruiser performs like a true Land Cruiser should: strong, capable, and dependable. Toyota's vision with the 2026 Mini Land Cruiser is clear: bring the legendary DNA of the Land Cruiser to a broader audience. It's smaller, more efficient, and more affordable, but it doesn't compromise on the spirit of adventure. It's for those who crave freedom but live in the city, for drivers who want one car that can do it all. With its bold design, hybrid efficiency, advanced safety, and unstoppable capability, the Mini Land Cruiser is ready to conquer both the concrete jungle and the wilderness. The 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser isn't just a smaller SUV. It's the rebirth of an icon for a new generation of explorers. We'll see you next video.